So we're camping here
Hi guys!
at
This is me,
Birdsville
Diego.
Park.
We're making a video for YouTube.
And that's the lee side.
We're roasting marshmallows.
That's their dad. Preparing the corn. We're gonna-
I have a fabulous.
Oh, yes, a one. Because we played in the park.
My chair.
That's her chair. Lisa's chair.
This is my
Diego's
chair.
chair.
Make it close to the fire.
And
Roast some marshmallows.
we are gonna sleep on our van.
Mommy!
Wait, I'm just gonna. It's a big one. And now they're roasting marshmallows.
I'm gonna make it this way. Some get burned.
Ate, the chair might, get burned.
And you might fall on the anak. Di wala mo nikaluto, be.
Masunog yan yung pagkabiglain mo yan.
Wow! Mommy, do you want to marshmallows?
Yeah.
Fly!
Give me one.
Fly! Shoot! Shoot! Hey, shoot! 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 We're in Birdsville camping.
Yeah. It's our first camping for the year, and summer's almost over.
No?
Yeah. 2 more weeks.
I'm gonna eat it now. No, you have to make It's so hot.
Stand up, anak. Don't sit because you might fall on the fire. Whoa. Step. Anak. Let's move the chair.
No, don't make it on that side.
Don't
Show the
don't
marshmallows, Mommy. Show the marshmallows.
don't put it there.
Mommy, show the marshmallows. Show the marshmallows, Mommy. See the marshmallow.
Thank you, Papa.
2 marshmallows. Can I roast 2 marshmallows?
Yeah, sure.
Yay!
Ay, Diego, don't put that in your mouth, love. Just on the side.
Oh.
Any message for our viewers?
I put 2 so it
I'm
can
gonna-
be bigger.
Okay, I'm roasting it for you, okay? Because I can't eat marshmallow.
What?
I'm roasting it for you because I can't eat marshmallows. Or you wanna put it on your thing?
No, this. Okay. Is it hot? This one's hot. It's hot. This one's good and hot.
Yeah, you can eat it. Careful, give me the stick.
It's hot because
It's okay.
Mommy, my pillows hurt a lot.
Yeah.
Papa, this
What do you want to say to your viewers?
That's why how I cook.
comment below if you want. Comment below comment below because we're the best.
What the hell?